Phrasal verbs used by native speakers. Go beyond. He went beyond his comfort zone. The attraction of remote control toy car goes beyond entertainment. Take down. The lawyer took down a defendant. I need to take down the pictures before we paint. Take S.O down. She took him down with a hit. Police managed to take the crime down before anyone else was injured. Come up with. She come up with a new strategy. We need to come up with $5,000 by this week. Take back. If the trainer's shoes don't fit, take them back to the shop. I take back what I said about my boyfriend. Go on. She went on to become a doctor. Go on, I'm listening. Go after. The police went after the suspect. She's going after her dream of becoming a doctor. Go by. Several cars went by very quickly. We have to go by the rules. Read over. She read over her project to check for errors. CEO read over the contract before signing. Read on. He stopped for a few moments, and then read on. Don't stop now, read on to find out what happens next. Bring up. He brought up 3 children on his own. Please bring it up at the meeting. Wake up. I usually wake up around 6 a.m. Please don't wake him up. Break down. My car broke down on the way to work. She broke down in tears after hearing the bad news. Look forward to. I am looking forward to hearing from you. She is looking forward to her holiday. Pick up. I'll pick you up at the bus stop. I picked up some languages while traveling. Move on. She finally moved on after the divorce. Let's move on to the next slide on the screen. Speak up. If you see something wrong, you need to speak up. Could you please speak up? I cannot hear. What are you saying? Stand up. The children stand up whenever the teacher enters the room. Always stand up for my friends. Cheer up. I'll buy flowers to cheer her up. Cheer up. It's not that bad. Pay back. I'll pay you back as soon as I get my paycheck. She paid him back by ignoring his calls.